Blitz chess, also known as speed chess, is played just like regular chess, except players only have 10 minutes or less to complete the game. The standard rules of movement, capture, and endgame are exactly like regular chess, so your main goals in Blitz chess are to hustle, make practical decisions, and complete the best moves you can in the short time allowed. The person playing white gets the privilege of moving first, while the person playing black chooses which side of the table they want to sit on. Then the two opponents sit down across from each other with the chessboard between them. Then they set up their respective pieces on the board. Each player gets 10 minutes total to make all of their moves, so set up 2 timers. Start the first timer so white can make their opening move. Time is of the essence, so open with a strategy you're familiar with. After you move your piece, pause the timer. Black then starts their timer, takes their turn, and pauses their timer. Gameplay continues the same way. Players only have a few seconds to make each move if they want to complete the game in the allotted time. It can help to keep a few things in mind as the game advances. Protect your pieces at all times. Remember to make strong moves. Attack your opponent when you can, and trust your intuition to help you make fast choices. Be sure to practice in your free time so you can get really good at making split-second decisions.